I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackGear.com, here with our official STG kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Okay, so here we go. This week, not only do I have a kick-ass graphic, but I got a kick-ass deal for you. It's in our Fly Racing Helmet Garage. This is the HJC RPHA 11 Pro Spider-Man helmet. This is a good helmet, man. Tony Elias is wearing this. Well, he's kicking everybody's ass in Moto America's Superbike, okay? I've ridden in this. I dig it. I actually love this graphic right here. Retail on this helmet was like over $600. We're doing these here for $255. It comes with a free dark smoke shield, okay? Look at this fancy box. It even comes in a fancy box, man. Check that out. Got a fancy inner lid. It's got a cool Marvel helmet bag. It's going to come with a chin curtain. If you want to have little Spidey eyes on your shield, it's got stickers. It also comes with a clear helmet shield, too. I threw that in the garbage because I like to ride in the dark smoke helmets. Some people have been asking, what's up with this dude right here? Well, he is the official mascot for my Kick-Ass Helmet Graphic of the Week series. His name is Walter. And as you can clearly see, yes, I am a lover of unicorns, man. Everybody loves the corns. I love the corns. You love the corns. I got unicorn onesie pajamas. I got little unicorn stuffed animals in my bed. It is money. Go corns. Join my unicorn fan club. Brian Van, Sport Bike Track Gear, Kick-Ass Helmet Graphic of the Week.